Hey everyone, it's Val here, Lake Life Unlocked. How are you on this fine evening? Spring has still not come to us, but I still want to talk to you tonight with a smile on my face, anticipating spring is going to get here someday. So, looking at what I wanted to talk about tonight is actually AI. AI what? So how online business owners and affiliate marketers are actually utilizing AI to help out their businesses. So to be honest, I don't use AI much beyond, say, ChatGPT, something like that. I do plan on using it. I mean, I keep hearing about how online entrepreneurs are actually leveraging it, in really, really powerful ways, and it's assisting them in their businesses. So, of course, that's of interest to me, right? If there's something that I can better my business with. And it could be a game changer, I still like the personal touch on things, but that's not to say that you can't utilize the AI just as an assist, right? And so if you're just popping on, tell me whether you're watching live or whether you're catching a replay, and also tell me where you're calling in from, where you're watching from, and tell me a little bit about the weather. I'm serious. I'd like to know what's going on in your part of the world when you're tuning in, and whether you're getting to sit outside in a beautiful bit of sunshine or whether you're sitting indoors and it's pouring rain. Yeah, tell me about it. So anyway, so here's what I've learned about how AI is being utilized by fellow business owners and affiliate marketers to help themselves grow and build their businesses online. So content creation. It seems like content creation has been put on really overdrive, right? So the AI tools are cranking out things like blog posts, like emails, social media captions, video scripts, and even emails. So it gets it done in minutes, right? So, as a business owner, that's attractive in the sense that it's a time saver, right? And that's one of the things that we're all after, is more time and freedom, right? So it's interesting to me that this is able to do this kind of thing. I mean, like I say, using ChatGPT, I understand some of what it is possible, but I haven't taken it to, I've got a system that kind of does everything for me in the background anyway. So, as far as emails and such, but it looks like I might be able to enhance that even with some of the AI tools. So I am interested in that. I do utilize email lists. I think they're awesome. I think they're a fantastic business tool. And if I can, enhance that in some way, then I'm going to try and find a way to do that. So that might be something that I'm looking at. Automating lead generation and follow-up. So this is another thing, right? That as online business owner, this is what we do. We want leads. We want to be able to reach out to people. We want to see people interested in what we're doing, and those are our leads, right? So imagine having, an AI assistant, let's say an assistant that, finds the leads, sends out the emails, sends out follow-up messages, and, nurtures those potential customers, right? So that's with you, but without you. Okay, so that's where AI is kind of doing the heavy lift part of it. And AI chatbots and the email automation tools are doing that for people these days. And it's being done 24/7, right? And that's what we always want. We want that business working in the background for us when we can find those tools that automate the business and work in the background for us. Those are attractive tools, absolutely. It just extends our time on the airwaves, it expands our time when we are able to be in communication, right? So that's really important. So another thing is, the smarter marketing done with data-driven insights. Okay, so as a business owner, you're continually looking for, how am I doing? How is my business doing? Am I reaching people? Am I making contact with them? Am I getting, reciprocal contact from them? And with this some of these new AI tools, it actually finds a way to, automate, analyze the data and really build it out for you in ways where you can, see what ads are performing best, what messages are performing best, what headlines are performing best, what your audience really, really loves. And that's so important to be able to read that stuff. And then it can even predict future trends. Okay, like that's kind of incredible, right? If you know what seems to be, building and what people are interested in, and you can start building your content around that, that's pretty cool. And again, that's something that I'm probably going to look into. I mean, the social media platforms themselves do offer some part of that, giving you insights to how your posts and your ads are doing, but not to the degree that I'm reading about. So yeah, I think that's very, very interesting as well. And then personalized customer experience. If you are looking at helping your business deliver, a personalized experience, it's funny how AI can actually help you do that. So not only the content building and the insights, right? So now you've got the insights into how your different headlines are doing, how your different posts are doing, your different ads are doing. But now it seems like it can also deliver a more personal touch at an elevated scale, which is unusual because as far as I'm concerned, AI is something else, and I like giving that personal touch myself. Hey, Cindy, thanks for tuning in. So, the idea that AI is going to be able to put a personal touch on what I'm presenting, I want to look a little further into that. To me, it's very interesting. So I think what they're talking about is like chatbots, that answer the customer questions directly. Currently, I still answer all of my stuff on my own, every day. But again, as a business owner, when you start talking about AI, and that intelligence factor and freeing up that time for you, that's what we're all after as business owners, right? We want to be able to put the content there. We want to be able to have the personal touches, but at the same time, you've got to kind of guard your time and how much time that you're spending doing all of this stuff. So if AI is able to assist in that, it does add a piece of attraction, right? I mean, that could be something that really helps you as a business owner, and just as long as you still feel like it does have that personal touch, right? So what they're telling me is that this stuff can, write those messages as if they're coming from you. I want to see that for myself, really. I want to see how well it does, because yeah, I do prefer to be answering stuff personally at the moment. So it's something to investigate. Like I say, I want to look at all of this stuff and see how it can, assist me as a business owner. So yeah. And then additionally, yeah, it is interesting to you. Oh, good. It's interesting to you too. That's great to hear, Cindy. I mean, I think as, online business owners, we have to kind of look at these things. We can't dismiss them and say, no, I want to do this on my own. Because it's busy out here right now. Working online, it's a busy place to be, and you've got to be putting out consistent content that is directed to the people that you want to be talking to. And if AI can assist you with that, and then not only assist you, but then analyze how you're doing with that, I don't know, that's something that I'm going to really start taking a serious look at. Anyway, I'm still learning about AI. I expect that we will all be learning about AI for a very long time yet. And as we share details about stuff like this and learn from each other, I think it's going to be a real benefit. It's definitely not replacing people. I don't think it will ever replace people, but it's making businesses more efficient, possibly more profitable, and just hopefully easier to run, right? I mean, like I say, time is precious, and as online business owners, sometimes we feel like we're constantly on. And you know, if this stuff can help us out, I think it's worth taking a look at. So anyway, tell me about it in the comments. Are you using AI? Have you looked into AI? Tell me again whether you're watching in the replay or whether you've caught this live. And yeah, give me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And let's see where this goes. And hopefully we'll be talking about it more in the future. So thanks for tuning in. And we'll catch you again from Lake Life Unlocked.